Hello traders and welcome to the weekend edition. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade and this video is good through Sunday, November 20th, 2011. Had a wonderful time here mentoring students here in Viva Las Vegas. And furthermore, I thoroughly enjoyed the time that I spent here at the Traders Expo here in Vegas, which is always a wonderful and great time to sharpen skills and to meet new friends and to also meet up with old friends. And if you haven't been to a Traders Expo, I recommend that you look into that. You can go to tradersexpo.com or moneyshow.com and find out all about it. Anyway, that was a free plug for those boys, and I have absolutely no affiliation with them at this moment. But let's talk the markets. Now, on Friday, we had the Dow closing higher and the Russell small caps closing higher. NASDAQ took a big hit down 0.6%, but the banks did exceptionally well. US dollar down, silver doing well, up 2.5%. And looking here at the daily chart on the S&P, we had this big bullish pennant. However, we broke down to the downside. Wednesday, we closed at the end of the day down hard, and then Thursday we crashed through, finding support at our 1216 area coming across, and sure enough, we find support there with a doji. We have a doji now below the 100-day moving average, but still above the 50-day moving average. If I go over here to the weekly chart, the weekly chart has made a lower high and a lower low. We do have support going right here at the 260 moving average. That's the yellow line coming across right here. We are watching that quite closely. So the next area of support that we see coming across would be, well, actually I could probably put one right here. Oh yeah, right there, right where we close. So we are closed at some major support at this 214, 215 area. It's right where we're at with that moving average. So this could be an area of support. Let's see if next week we get a bounce here. If we do drop, be looking at around 1190 as our next support area. On the monthly chart, we have a lower high, higher low, but we're in the upper echelon of the former candle. So that is still semi-bullish, but in the whole scheme of things, we are bearish because we did break below that support line. If I go over here to the NASDAQ monthly chart, you can see for the month, we rallied higher, 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 touched that resistance line, and we've since come back down. This is worrisome. This could act as resistance, and we could drop. Be looking for a support area at 2403, 2404, 2405 area. So watch that very closely. And on the weekly chart, lower high, lower low. And today, or for this week, we did break below the 67 simple moving average. So that is no good. We are starting a down leg on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we broke on Thursday a major support line, and we broke the 50-day moving average. So if the NASDAQ is serving as a leading indicator, then the markets are in trouble and we will see some more downside going into next week. However, we are sitting at some major support levels and we need to bounce right now on the weekly charts for that to take place. Take a look at finviz.com here, and let's go to the 1 week. The problem with the 1 week is financials took a major hit, down 5.2%. The worst hit in sector rotation here. That is no good. Financials for the month down 2.7. The only one that is this, I mean, look at the significant red bar on this. Bad, bad, bad. 3 months, financials are at the bottom. Gang, financials are leading the markets to the downside. That is an underlying weakness taking place with the market internals. Watch that like a hawk. I think that we are at one of those test points going over the weekend that we could have a sizable major run or a sizable major drop going into next week. It will probably commence starting Monday. If not, if we have a doji day or an inside trading day, be watching for Tuesday as being the catalyst day for that movement, one direction or the other. I would say there's a 60 to 65% chance it will be due that downside. So let's watch that closely. Thank you for being a part, and thank you for sharing this with your friends. The brand Grok Trade is a good one. Many people have come up to me here at the Traders Expo, and here we are picking up a lot of steam out there. So thank you for sharing this and being some of the first to be plugged in with us, and looking forward to locking arms with you and helping you be a better trader. Take care, safe trading, and make sure you click the like button down below.